Yes, I can. It's startlingly close.
Isn't it?
Not the first one I've seen,
It's like it's stationary.
but not the first one I've seen since we've been here, but the closest,
Yeah,
certainly.
certainly closer. Well, we've seen them when we've been here before, but they've been more over the hills over there. This one's not moving.
Hills
It is.
I know, but
It's going up.
more over here.
It's yeah. It hasn't got a lot of.
Can't see any flame.
Yeah, you can. There's
There
flame.
is a flame now.
Yeah.
I can see it now.
Yeah, it's going away from us actually.
I've chosen a nicer place to have a view. Let's try and get it.
Can you bring it closer?
Yes, I think it is some kind of bird of prey for sure.
Big, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Lost it. Okay, that's just cruel. How have I lost that? Oh, but to make up for it, a balloon has just flown up again, even closer than the last. Lost the bird, got the balloon. Okay.
Oh, that looks like a sparrow to me.
It's looking right at you now. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. I just don't know if I can zoom in terribly well to see what it is. Could well be a sparrow.
Discovered a way of being able to-
You don't see buzzards normally sitting.
Oh
like that,
yes, yes, yes. I managed to zoom in better than I did the last one.
I think it is the sparrow.
I can't, until I edit it, I shan't be able to see for it's not looking at me, it's looking sideways.
Yeah. I'd put money on it being a sparrow.
It's a different.
It's very difficult without being able to stand still properly.
But buzzards don't sit like that. They're not a bird to sit around and hang about too much. A sparrowhawk will do that.
Yeah, there. Yes, and maybe if I come out, I'll be able to see the other bird. It's on the field beyond. Wish I'd been able to get it flying. Two balloons now. Red in the forefront and I think blue in the background. Get it just before it hides behind the tree. Abandoned dog toy. I can get the bird again. I was going to say shoot the bird, but that doesn't really sound good even in a photographic context. Wish I could get these branches out of the way. It's hard for me to see whether you can see it. I can't even see the horses through this thing, the lens is so cracked. There's some other little bird in the field in front of it, but it's hard from my angle to see whether you can see it. Okay, I would stand backwards, but I'll fall in that if I do. And I'm not doing that even for my YouTube career, such as it is. Here's the tank that I almost fell into. Hopefully I can steady the camera whilst looking. Ooh. Ah, yes. I wish I'd caught that thing in flight. Finally, I've got the thing. Still not perfect in steadying it, but still better shot than the last few. Difficult to catch, but on the flip side, I have, after almost 15-year presence on YouTube, learnt how to steady a camera properly. Learn something new every day, every decade in my case. Hope you enjoyed that one then, and as usual, ta-ta! Finally, I did in fact catch. Not very well, but I think I did this time. Catch the bird of prey flying. At long, long last. That's what I most wanted from it. Didn't catch it very well, but I did catch it. Haven't got good footage of it, but I have got footage. I feel like an angler who's finally hooked his biggest catch.